we just picked up another radio controlled car. Let's check it out, okay? Hey, thanks for staying with me. I'm Wayne. Picked up a radio controlled car. This is the Hyper Toy Company 4-wheel drive drift car. Let's open this little guy up and see what it'll do, all right? All right, let's open this little guy up. Hyper Toy Company 4-wheel drive drift car. Yeah. Get my knife out and we'll open this little guy up. Okay. Instruction sheet. How to put the batteries in, how to charge it, all that. Okay. Out of the way. Charging cable for the car, I guess. Let's get this little guy out of here if we can. There we go. Box out of the way. Get that wire tie out of the way right there. All right. There we go. I'm going to get it out of there. There we go. There's your transmitter and your car holder. Let's cut this little hole down here for the car. See what we can do here. Let me get this guy out of here. All right. There's the car. Had to cut that plastic out of the way. There's your little car. Little bitty guy, isn't he? On the bottom, there is a charging port right there on the side of it. There is a trim control right there. If the car don't go straight, you can trim it a little bit, straighten it out, all right? Let's see what we got here. Little car charges off USB port, looks like, all right? Get all this trash out of the way. Right here. Push that. I guess, yeah, and that opens up. The little car fits in here like this, I guess. Oh, there it is. It slips right in there like that. That fits back down over it like that. And there's how you carry your car around. You get ready to use it, push that button, open that up. Push the little button and the car comes off, I guess. There it is. There's your car. Close this little guy again. Plug this little guy in right here to charge it. Put that on your USB. It said it takes about 30 minutes to charge it. We'll go in there and charge that in just a minute. We got to put some batteries in the transmitter here. Unscrew this on the bottom. Yeah. Hang on to the screwdriver. All right. It says here that they go in positive, which is the little knob up, and then the other one goes positive down right there. Plug that back in, screw it back down so the batteries don't fall out. There we go. On off button right here. Okay. We're going to go charge the little car and then we'll do some driving with it. All right. Charging port right there. Charging cable goes in right there like that. Plug this little guy into the USB port right there. So it takes about 30 minutes. See the light right there? Can you see that light? It's on. And when that light goes off, I guess it's ready. So 30 minutes. We'll come back and get it and then we'll do a little driving, all right? Okay, you can see that the light has gone out in the car. See there? So it's done charging. Unplug it. Yeah. Right there. There's your little car. Turn it on. All switches right there. There it is. Look at the lights on that little guy. We'll get in there and do some driving, all right? All right, little guy's charged and ready to go. Let's see what we can do with it here. On-off button is right there below the charging port. See it? See how the lights come on and all? Look at that. Woo! Turn on your transmitter right here. Look at there. Ready to go. Set it down the floor. Forward, reverse, drive it. All right? Look at that little guy spin. Look at him go. He does drift, doesn't he? Wow. Get a little closer here. Look at that guy. Wow. Reverse. Reverse. Look at him drift. I like that spin. All right, he can go, can he? He's a good spinner. Say that. See him drift there? Let's see if we can do this. Look at him drift. Whoa. Well, I think you see how it goes, okay? So, he does drift. That's about what he does. Y'all go check out my playlist. RC, radio control. All right, a lot of other ones up there and more coming. When you're through with it, turn off your controller here. Right there. Turn it off and out of the way. Your on-off switch right there. Push it down. All right, can you see that? Right there. The lights all go off. There it is. Remember how you put him in the controller here? Your holder. Right there. Okay, fits right down there like so. Then that closes. There it is. Look at that little guy. All right. Y'all let me know where you're watching from, okay? I just need city, state. If you're not in the U.S., city, country then, okay? Thanks for watching. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.